AICELLO will continue to create new value and bring its technology to even the smallest markets around the world. Innovation realized. AICELLO. In 1933, AICELLO was founded as Misuzu Cellophane Company. We have constantly evolved, providing useful products and services throughout our company history. AICELLO has grown into a technology innovation company that adds new value in the manufacture of specialty plastic films, including an anti-corrosion packaging material that has been adopted by all domestic automakers. We have also developed a water-soluble film for packaging liquid detergents and containers for transporting high-purity chemicals. The multifunctional products developed by our unique technologies support people's lifestyles and various industries, including automotive, medical, electronics, logistics, and home care across the globe. We manufacture cellophane packaging materials made from plants and plastic films and containers made from petroleum. Since the end of World War II, we have supported the growth of the Japanese economy. Demand for cellophane increased over the years, driven by innovations in distribution. However, that history reached a major turning point. In the late 1960s, the chemicals used in manufacturing cellophane were a major cause for pollution. We decided that we could not solve the problem with the technology we had at the time, so we voluntarily closed our cellophane factory. However, this decision became the driving force behind the birth of the new AICELLO. A strong awareness of the environment, getting back to basics, and thinking about packaging from nothing. Putting more effort into developing functions to meet specific needs was conceived. This is our unwavering management policy that forms the backbone of AICELLO today. Dedication to a specialization. Concentrate on niche markets. The smaller the market, the better. Approach business with the attitude that less packaging material is more beneficial. Dedication to a specialization is a way for an employee to pursue success in a specialty by showing strong will and dedication to a craft. This is AICELLO's philosophy on personnel development, hoping that each employee will grow, become a leader in their field, and shine during the right moment. Concentrate on niche markets. The smaller the market, the better, is our marketing philosophy, which means to create products that only AICELLO can produce, even in small markets. Create products that can only be manufactured by AICELLO and become that market's sole supplier. As we expand globally, we continue to make use of our originality to do our best in niche markets. In 1969, AICELLO introduced Bosalon, the world's first volatile corrosion-inhibiting film. The corrosion inhibitors are incorporated into the polyethylene film, dissipates or separates onto the target surface, and has a lasting corrosion-inhibiting effect on a variety of metals, protecting them from corrosion. The transparent film enables clients to see the inside contents while functioning as both packaging and a corrosion inhibitor at the same time. It reduces total costs by improving the productivity. Bosalon has been used in various fields such as automotives, machinery, steel, and heavy machinery. It has a track record of more than half a century in long-term storage and overseas transport. In 2020, AICELLO relocated and expanded its plant in Malaysia to meet the growing global demand. As a pioneer in corrosion-inhibiting films, we offer optimal packaging solutions to meet our clients' diverse needs. Clean containers are able to prevent the elution of impurities from the container and also the permeation of organic solvents. The contents stay pure for a long period of time, so these containers are used for high-purity chemicals used in semiconductor manufacturing, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, fragrances, printer inks, and more. Hyperclean films are available in low-particle clean grades with various added features like reduced outgassing. They are used for packaging silicon wafers, hard disk materials, semiconductors, pharmaceutical products, and functional resins that require extreme cleanliness. Fine bags are used as packaging for semiconductor materials and pharmaceuticals. In addition to their anti-static functions, there are grades that meet various regulations of many countries around the world. Suzalon L is a sealant film developed from AICELLO's resin blending technology. It is used in the most inner layer of laminated films, which are made by laminating multiple layers of different films together. This plays an important role in adding various functions to packaging materials. Suzalon L is used for packaging in toothpaste tubes, coffee sticks, alcoholic beverages, shampoo, detergent, cosmetics, face masks, and other daily necessities. It is also used for dialysis powder agents, electronic circuit boards, and silicon wafers. Solublon is a functional water-soluble film developed with AICELLO's proprietary technology using PVA, polyvinyl alcohol, as its main ingredient. It is used in the industrial and medical fields not only for its water solubility, but also its gas barrier properties, oil resistance, moisture permeability, anti-static properties, and its releasing properties. In recent years, Solublon has been used in the packaging of liquid laundry detergents, which have been growing globally. It is also increasingly used in the packaging for powder and tablet detergents. In addition, product development that takes advantage of Solublon's characteristics are underway. These new developments for the medical, agricultural, and industrial fields will help people around the world to lead safer, more comfortable lives. In response to growing global demand for Solublon, AICELLO has established testing and analytical capabilities in Europe, the US, China, and Japan. This is in addition to the local sales support systems. AICELLO has formed a development team to apply our film technology to fields other than packaging and gaining positive results. Fixalon is a thermoplastic film that thermally bonds with different materials through heat and pressure. Adhesion through heat transfer press bonding. Insert bonding. High-frequency bonding. Resistance heat bonding and other methods ensure extremely strong bonding strength. Ensures a healthy work environment by being solvent-free and reducing VOCs. Fixalon is used to bond the interior parts of automobiles, and its application potential is growing. SO sheet is a film with a two-layer structure consisting of a PVA layer and a PET layer. By printing or coating functional materials on the PVA layer and washing off the PVA with water, it allows for the transfer of the functional materials onto three-dimensional objects, or to create a thin freestanding film. It is anticipated to expand to various applications, such as electronic devices, displays, and biotechnology. The third Aicello management philosophy is approach business with the attitude that less packaging material is more beneficial. This is the origin of our product development. It is a philosophy that expresses our desire for an environment in which we conceive of what is truly necessary and create products that are useful to the world. Utilizing the functions of plastics, we fulfill the role of packaging by incorporating advanced technologies with the use of minimal resources. By maximizing optimization, we strive to eliminate waste due to product deterioration and loss. We will continue the pursuit to the development of society and the global environment by balancing plastic product manufacturing. Aicello is committed to enriching and enhancing the global culture through the creation of products that are useful to society. Under the slogan of "We are Aicello," we're reducing the impact on the environment and complying with all laws and regulations at our production sites and sales offices around the world. We will fulfill our corporate and social responsibility on a global scale. Our intent is not to create aggressive competition in competing technology. Instead, we seek out hidden needs in small markets and tackle those challenges head-on. We strive to create entirely new and unique value in society in order to provide value to industry and enrich people's lives. Innovation realized. Aicello.